dental implants are basically artificial roots made out of titanium. The same way you would have an artificial shoulder or an artificial knee. It's just there to replace what's missing. So a replacement artificial root on top of which you can put a natural looking crown, which is the visible portion, the actual crown of the tooth. Basically anyone who's got a missing tooth, anyone who's got teeth that they can't chew on or teeth that they can't smile with, if you're looking for a replacement tooth and you want it to be natural, then dental implants are for you. We do have to do a little bit of homework to make sure that, you know, all the bone structure and all of that is there, but if it's not, we can build it up. So anyone can have dental implants, it's just a case of how we do it, which is the question. The solution is they're like natural teeth. So the same way you would use your teeth to bite, chew, smile with, you can use implant retained teeth to do the same. So dental implants versus dentures is always a question you get asked. Dental implants fix teeth. They just stay in place, you keep them clean, they carry on working like a natural set of teeth would. Denture teeth, you take them out, they move around, food gets underneath. Worst case scenario, you're blowing your candles out for your birthday and they drop out. All the things that people don't want to see is sometimes what dentures do provide you with. So implants fix teeth, dentures removable teeth. Dentures remind you of putting them in a pot, your grandfather, grandmother maybe. So all those memories that come back from there are what dentures are. So implant wise, there's lots of different options available. If you've got a single missing tooth, it's a single implant and a crown that goes over the top of that. If you've got a couple of missing teeth on one side of your mouth, then that maybe would be 2 or 3 implants and a full set of teeth to replace 1/4 of your mouth. And then going forward from there, you can have a full set of upper implants or a full set of lower implants and replace all of your missing teeth onto those, and that would be 6 implants and a full set of teeth that anchors on top of that. Science has moved forward, implants have moved forward. What we can do now is we can say, look, you've got a tooth that's infected or wobbly or broken, we can take the tooth out on the same day, put the implant in on the same day and put a plastic tooth on that straight away. So you come in to see us with a broken tooth, you leave us with an implant and a tooth that's on top of that already. So implant wise, yes, there's lots of different options available. Same way you could buy a Ford or you can buy a Bentley, the same thing applies to implants. So you can buy a standard implant or you can buy a German implant. At Confidental, we use a German implant brand. It's been around for over 35 years and it's a global brand. So if you move abroad or within the UK, you'll be able to find a dealer that can take care of it. So premium products is what we use. And the reason we use that, good, consistent, reliable results and a guarantee structure that's in place as well. The main thing is that they should last as long as your natural teeth would. So if you could have bone shrinkage and gum problems on natural teeth, you can have bone shrinkage and gum problems around implants as well. As long as you take care of them, we should easily be able to get 10, 15, 20 years out of them. Naturally, if you don't take care of them, then the life expectancy could be reduced. So no party tricks, no opening bottles please, no biting nails, etc. Treat them to eat, chew, smile as they were intended to. Regular teeth, you were born with them, it's the way your roots and teeth were grown. Dental implants are the closest thing I can give you to a natural tooth. So it's not quite a natural tooth, it is still an artificial tooth, but the roots in the bone, it works like a natural tooth would. The crown over the top is like a natural tooth as well. We can blend in the color, blend in the shape of them. Yes, there is a slight difference, but on a day-to-day basis, you shouldn't notice any difference between natural teeth and implants. They should work just like a natural tooth would. Dental implants, are they painful? Is it a long process? Something we get asked all the time. when you're having the dental treatment done or the implant treatment done, you're completely numb. So you shouldn't feel any pain across there. After you've had the dental implant done, yes, you might feel a little bit sore for a day or so, but our most frequent comment from our patients is, look, Sandeep, it didn't hurt whilst you were doing it, it didn't really hurt afterwards. I needed to take one round of painkillers, have a good night's sleep, and after that I was okay. Whilst you're having the implant done, I'll make sure you're completely numb, so you're not going to feel any pain in that sense. Is sedation an option for dental implants? Yes, of course. We have an in-house sedationist where we can offer you sedation, and that could be taking a drink or it could be giving you sedation through the sedation route. And the way we do that is make sure you're completely relaxed, make sure you're completely, dozed off almost, and we go in and do the implants, the sedation comes to an end, and then you come back and say, look, Sandeep, that was great, I can hardly remember it, I can see the work you've done, and move forward from there. So the way dental implants work at Confidental, we have a guaranteed structure that we use. So we always see you to start with to say, look, how can we help you? What's going on? We check the health of your teeth and the gums. So make sure that the rest of the mouth is all completely healthy. Once we know that you're in good health, then we take a 3D scan of your bone. That shows us exactly how much bone height and width we have. So I can plan the longest and the widest implant that will give us the best possible chance of long-term success. We ask you to, we write you a full letter to say, look, this is what implants are, how they work, plus points, negative points, guarantee structure, all of that. So at least you've got a good understanding of what we're doing and what we plan to do and how you can possibly take care of it in the long term. Once you've read through all that and you say, Sandeep, look, I understand all of that, let's go ahead. We ask you to come in, we do the actual implant work. So we ask you to come in, numb you up, put the implant in and make sure it's gone in nice and securely. Once it's all healed and we know that the implant's taken with your body and the bone solidified around it, we take some molds, measure up for your tooth and send it to a UK-based dental lab. The UK-based dental lab, they'll make your final dental crown or dental tooth to blend in and match the rest of your teeth. We ask you to come in, have that fitted, show you how to take care of it. And then long term, once that's all done and you've forgotten about all the work that we've done, we just say, look, please come in regularly so we can check the tooth, check the gums, take x-ray of the bone, make sure that we keep that going for the long term and help you keep your teeth and gums healthy for life. So dental implants at Confidental, how much do they cost? How can I make them affordable? We have lots of options available. So number one is to say, look, I'll pay it all up in one go. And some people prefer that, at least they know that they've paid for it and they get on with it. Number two is to say, look, I'll pay for it as I go along. So stage one, put the implant in, this is the payment. Stage two, test the implant, this is the payment. Stage three, put your final tooth on, this is the payment. And if people say, look, Sandeep, I want to spread it into a monthly cost, we can also do that as well. So we can spread it anything from 1 year to 5 years, and we can bring it to an affordable cost, whatever might suit you. Our options that we present to you is just to say, look, these are the options you have, which one would suit you. But most of our patients come and see us and say, so, Sandeep, this is my preference, can we explore this further? And then we work from there. Several reasons here, and the one that springs to mind instantly is to say, look, we're a good set of people, we work together, we're well experienced in what we do, and we do things by the book. There's lots of ways of doing implants, but we just make sure that we do the tried, tested method. We use the latest technology, we use a very good brand of implant, which means that you get good, consistent, reliable results. And that's what builds our practice in essence, to say that, look, this is what we do it properly, we get good, consistent, reliable results, we're pain-free, we're gentle, and it's not just me doing the implant, it's the whole team. So it's my nurse who's been trained and she knows what we're doing, me and her work together, work like a team. Even simple things like when someone comes to the front desk, do we approach them with a smile? Do we help take care of them, put them at ease? And once your implant's done, it's the long-term care afterwards as well. So how do we take care of it? How does a hygienist give you special hints and tips on how to keep it clean, how to keep it nice and healthy? all those little bits add up to your confidential journey for implants. And because we're so used to doing implants and we know we do things properly, we're proud enough to give a guarantee on our work. So we say, look, we're going to guarantee the work that we do. There's a biological guarantee, a mechanical guarantee, and we stand by our work. We make sure we do it nicely, and we say we stand by it.